So it's time for Apple Pencil, which I ordered. Both, as you can see, Pencil Pro and Pencil Simple Pencil comes with USB-C, which it says here you have to connect with USB-C into your MacBook or tablet like iPad Air to connect and pair with Apple Pro. I think it just you just have to stick on top. I'll show you how. So let's do that now. Start with USB-C one. Maybe a cable. I don't think so. No, there's no cable, which is fine. So that is the pencil. As you can see, very nice. Just remove this now. So that is the pencil. Very nice and smooth, nice feel. So here, when you open that like that, you can see a USB-C option. Your cable goes here. It's very nice. It's very nicely open. And that is the nib, as you can see. I think this one open as well, in case you wanna change. I'll show you in my next video if this or that one works with old iPad or not. So yeah, I think it's not gonna work like that. Let me see. Yeah, it's not working. I think you have to activate first and pair it first to make it work. So yeah, then I'll put it here. I'll open both pencils and then I'll do the unboxing and I'll do the review with the tablet. I'll put it here. So this is the Pro version. So the price difference between this and that is like, I think about 30 and 40 quid. But this one is Pro version, as you can see, it's made for iPad Pro M4 and specifically M2 and M4 only gonna work because these tablets comes with the magnetic feature that you can stick the pencil on top and it's gonna charge and pair. I'll show you how. So let's do the unboxing for this one. Let me see, for this one I'm not sure which devices are compatible with this one. Yeah, that is the pencil. Same, it doesn't come with any kind of cable or anything, so it's very identical with the other one. I will compare that as well in a bit. So as you can see, that is the Pencil Pro, says here, and very identical. If I compare, is yeah, the Pencil Pro is slightly bit bigger than the USB-C one. As you can see, is slightly a bit bigger than that from the top. If I say like that much difference is not a lot, but there is a difference. So okay, now it's time to connect. Like I was telling you, this one stick here. So let me take out the case. So this side, I was saying to you, this is where the pencil stick. You have to do this side and it goes there and it shows the pencil is attached as well. Let me unlock this. As you can see, it start pairing the pencil. Continue, and then it's telling how to use. You have to squeeze it from the side. It's showing properly. Hover over the screen and squeeze Apple Pencil Pro to quickly access the tool you need. We'll do that in a second. So that's just showing you how it's gonna write, how you have to write. So you can turn on add to find my pencil in case you lost it or you think you lost somewhere, you want to find it. So I think it's paired now, and the good thing about this is it charges from this iPad. So when I connect this, as you can see, it starts charging. So if I swipe down just to see in any way, I think I can add a gadget here. Let me add a gadget here where I can see all the charging my items. So as you can see here, it says Apple Pencil Pro 28%. As you can see, the battery sign, this means it's charging. So this, as you can see, is 30% now. So it's charging from this tablet. You're using this tablet battery by connecting this. So let's try and use. So it says when you squeeze it from here, as you can see, there's a little button I can feel here. Like when you squeeze that and do that, it starts with just hover over like that. So nice. I don't know how to close that, but just trying if you can open that using that. Let's open page. Okay, let's open the, where is the notes? So look, it's working very nice. So when you click on that, it's gonna show all these options to erase or anything like that. Very nice and slick. When you tap on it, your option to erase, or if I think we can erase all as well. Yeah, it's very nice. Look at that. Select that and then very nice. So yeah, let's go back. I don't know how, if we can select by from here to close the app. Still have to look around online how to do that, but yeah, that's very nice and very slick, as you can see, very smooth, very nice. I hope you like this one. So this one is fine, as you can see. So now I'm gonna try with this one how we can pair this. Let me try. I have this cable to connect. Let me try if we can. It sticks over there, but as you can see, there's no sign of Apple Pencil Pro. Yeah, there is no sign of this one showing up connectivity wise. If you go in Bluetooth, as you can see, it's not coming up. So right now it's showing the other pencil which was connected. I think it's still connected, so I'm gonna try to connect this one. with this one. So I have to bring that cable on. So yeah, I just grabbed the cable. Just grab the cable. Just open that. Just plug into USB-C, as you can see here. And now I'm gonna plug into this my iPad. Okay. Once it's paired now, I think. Yeah, it's working. That's really good news. So you only have to connect this one time. You have to open that, connect this, so then it's going to be paired with your device, and then you can just take it off and work as normal, because once it's paired, as you can see, it's showing the battery timing as well. Even though, because it's not the Pro one, it's not going to charge, because as you can see with the Pro one, with the one here, with this one, when you plug in, like what I did, shows Apple Pencil Pro, and it's gonna showing up here, as you can see, and start charging. So that's the only difference between Apple Pencil Pro and this USB-C one. Yeah, there's also a difference. There's no button like in that one. This one, as you can feel here, when you press that, here there's no button. So because I connect that, so this one is disconnected. Let me show you again. So put this here. All you have to do, open this, plug that here, and then you have to sorry, it's the wrong cable. Plug that here, and then once you plug into this, it shows here Apple Pencil, show you notification, and then it's connected now. Yes, and that's the only way, I think, to charge, or you can charge with your Apple charger. But it's really cool, and I'm gonna make another video on this, that if you're able to connect this Apple Pencil USB-C with your old iPad, or if that works. So I'm gonna make my next video. Just subscribe my channel and make sure you will get the bell icon button on, so then you will get all the latest videos on all the new products and on unboxing and reviews as well. So I hope you like this video, and I'm sure you are looking to buy one, and if you are interested to buy one, the similar specs and the similar all these items, so find the Amazon link in below, in the description below, and then you can order one for your one as well, similar to this one, which is very new, very slick. Thank you very much for watching this video.